What if the bloating, heaviness, stiffness, or low energy you feel every day is not because of age or stress, but because your morning routine is silently working against your body? Most people wake up, rush into their day, drink coffee on an empty stomach, and ignore the early warning signs their body is giving them. Over time, these small mistakes slowly damage digestion, increase inflammation, and drain energy. And the worst part is, many people suffer quietly, thinking that this is just normal life. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm going to explain what actually happens inside your body when you drink ginger tea every morning, and why science strongly supports this simple habit. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of our new science-backed health videos. So let's get started. Now, let me explain this in a very simple way. Ginger tea is not just a warm herbal drink. It is a biologically active drink that directly interacts with your digestive system, immune system, and metabolism. Let's start with digestion, because that's where most health problems begin. When you wake up in the morning, your stomach is empty and your digestive system is slow. If digestion doesn't start properly in the morning, bloating, gas, acidity, and poor nutrient absorption follow throughout the day. Scientific evidence supports this. A controlled clinical study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology showed that ginger significantly improves gastric emptying, meaning that food moves more smoothly through the stomach. In hospital-based trials, patients who consumed ginger experienced less nausea, less bloating, and improved digestive comfort. This is why ginger tea works so well as a morning drink for better digestion. Now, a question arises. Can ginger tea really help cleanse the body naturally? The answer is yes, but not in the extreme way social media often claims. Your body already have a detox system, mainly the liver. Ginger supports this system instead of forcing it. Research published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology shows that ginger compounds reduce oxidative stress in liver cells and support detoxifying enzymes. Laboratory studies demonstrated improved liver markers when ginger was consumed regularly. This makes ginger tea a gentle and safe natural body cleansing drink. Now, let's talk about inflammation, because this is something most people don't realize they have. Low-grade chronic inflammation is a silent problem that causes joint stiffness, muscle soreness, fatigue, and even digestive discomfort. Ginger contains active compounds called gingerols and shogols. These compounds have strong anti-inflammatory effects. A randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Pain showed that daily ginger consumption significantly reduced muscle pain after exercise. Another study in arthritis and rheumatology observed reduced joint stiffness and better mobility in participants who used ginger consistently. This is why ginger tea is considered a natural anti-inflammation drink suitable for daily use. Now, let's discuss metabolism and energy. Many people complain of low energy and slow metabolism, especially in the morning. What most people don't know is that metabolism is most responsive early in the day. A clinical trial published in Metabolism, Clinical and Experimental found that ginger slightly increases thermogenesis, meaning it helps the body burn calories more efficiently. Participants also reported reduced appetite and better energy levels throughout the day. This makes ginger tea a natural drink for metabolism support and a smart choice for healthy lifestyle morning drinks. Now, Let's move to gut health, which controls far more than just digestion. Your gut influences immunity, mood, and even mental clarity. When the gut lining is irritated, the whole body feels inflamed and tired. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology showed that ginger protects the intestinal lining and supports healthy gut bacteria. This makes ginger tea an effective herbal drink for gut health and long-term wellness. Now, consistency is the key. Drinking ginger tea once will not change your health, but a daily tea routine can. Hospital-based wellness studies published in Clinical Nutrition found that patients who followed structured morning routines experienced better digestion, higher energy, and improved overall well-being. Ginger tea fits perfectly into a daily tea routine for wellness because it is simple, affordable, and gentle on the body. Preparation also matters. Use fresh ginger slices, not powdered mixes. Boil them in water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Drink the tea warm, not extremely hot, and avoid adding sugar. A small amount of lemon is fine if you enjoy the taste. Now, here is something very important that most people don't realize. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself. It just needs the right daily support. Ginger tea is not a medicine. It is a signal to your body that it is safe to digest, heal, and restore balance. But let me be clear. Ginger tea works best alongside good sleep, proper hydration, balanced meals, and regular movement. It is not a quick fix. It is a long-term habit. That's how real health improvement happens. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share this video with someone who struggles with digestion or low energy. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more science-packed, simple ways to stay healthy and live better. Start today.